Hi friends, welcome to DigiThoughts and Sandeep here. Let's see today how to return any product that we have ordered from Flipkart. Sometimes we need to return our products for many reasons from Flipkart. And let's see how to do that. And before getting into this video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Now, let's see how to return from Flipkart. For that, you need to get into Flipkart. Yeah, you can open from app or maybe from Chrome directly. So I have opened from Chrome. Now the interface will be like this. Left side topmost, you have three lines. You can see here three lines. Yes. So these lines, now just tap here. Here you can see here my orders. Yes. You can see here my orders. Now just get into my orders. Once you get into my orders, all your recent orders are here. You can see here. Yes, let's say suppose this has been delivered. I have just ordered office dustbin on 14th of August. So this has been delivered on 14th of August. Now just tap here. Yes, you can see here return. Yeah, so there's a call. Yeah, there's a button here, return. Now just tap here. Yes. So you have to give the reasons for return. You can see here the quality of the product not as expected, received wrong item, received broken or damaged item. The product received is defective. Product is missing in the package. Received different color or style. Don't like the size fit of the product. Now what you can do here is received a broken. Just tap here. Reason for return. You can see here received a broken damaged item. Parts were damaged, broken. One or more of the accessories were broken, damaged. So this is regarding regarding this damaged one. Now if you can go for the product quality, quality of the product, received a shop dirty item material is of poor quality, item not performing as expected. Let's say this one, received a broken or damaged. Yeah, now even you can write some comments here, like you can say top of the dustbin is broken, something like that. Dustbin is broken, and then you can go for continue. Please confirm that the following item in the given condition is available for return. Brand provided box package must be available. Yeah, you have to confirm that. Yeah, so if it is available, you can go for continue. Now continue. So what do you want? You want return or refund. If you want to have a replacement, then just go for replacement, and just whatever the address that you have given is, you have to verify that and just go for continue. That's it. Once you do that, then they will give a notification message when the replacement date will be accurate date of the replacement. Now for suppose, let's say I have already replacement accepted. I have done like this one product is defective, so what I have done is replaced. Now you can see here the replacement is accepted. So August 11th, August 7th delivered, and returned on August 18th. So return approved. So it will be like this. The flow will be like this. Now the pickup and replacement will be on 25th. So pickup will be on 25th and replacement will be done on the same day. And even if you want to cancel these, you can go for here cancel return. So you can do this cancel return. So this is how you can replace or return any defective products from Flipkart very easily. Thank you for watching this video.